Hi YouTube, Ben Autism user here. What am I recording right now? As you see, I'm currently right now at a baseball park, and generally the reason why I come here is because I like to watch trains come by. No trains have arrived just yet. While I do wait for some trains to come by, I'm going to talk about signs of autism and restrictive interests. So a sign of autism I have, for example, is repetitive behaviors and repetitive interests. Basically, that means they have the interests in the same subject or objects. Repetitive interests I had, for example, is Thomas the Tank Engine growing up as a child. Basically, what I did as a child is just set up my Thomas the Tank Engine train set and start imitating the TV shows. By basically what I do is I get the TV, I put in the Thomas and Tank Engine episode, and I use the trains, Thomas the Tank Engine friends, to imitate the episode that plays on TV. I used to do that as a child. Restrictive interests like Thomas the Tank Engine is a sign of autism I had as a child. Currently right now, my restrictive interests I have right now is recording videos of trains passing by. Most people with autism have experience having interest into trains. As I was at Old Sacramento Train Museum, I've been around children that have autism and adults with autism that have interests, repetitive interests in the same thing, like trains, for example. And that's the same thing as I am, for example, what I have. I just heard a train honking a horn just now, and I do hear a train coming by, so here's an example of restrictive interest into recording trains passing by. Here comes the train, any second now. And that's what I do for fun. I have restrictive interest into trains, for example, because of my autism, and this is an example right here. Thank you guys for watching. This is Ben Autism User signing off. Don't have a good day, have a great day.